want to... I smashed my paddles up. Badly, my bad.
Maya, where do you think the portage is?
Maybe the yellow sign.
How was that, Patrick?
Great.
Yeah, you like carrying?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're a nutter. Did you like that?
There's one more.
No, 2 dragonflies landed on my leg and I got scared because they surprised me.
And what were they doing, do you think?
Trying to make babies.
Oh my goodness, in our boat?
On my leg.
Oh my goodness. Mummy,
Hello, hey Maya.
2 dragonflies landed on her leg while they were having sex, making babies.
No wonder I would have screamed too, because that's not a good sight for your eyes, is it?
The river, Maya.
Petawawa.
The what?
Petawawa. I think it's a bit silly because it's wawa.
Yeah?
Like you're crying.
Poor beaver's building a dam and you go over it.
Oh, the poor deep beaver dam, look.
Yeah.
I'll get you in between so you can get your fly-mobile into. We are flying.
We are flying. Maya, how long is this portage?
935 meters.
And what else is wrong with this portage?
It's so muddy.
And do we know a song about that?
Yeah.
Mud, mud, glorious mud. Nothing quite like it for cooling the blood. So, me follow down to the hollow. And there we will wallow in glorious mud, 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 mud.
We're all so chipper just before, aren't we?
It's another one, a camera shake. I'm not looking forward to this one.
I think I'm going to cry.
How's that, Lina?
I think you can get the next one. I won't do your job for you.
Somebody's got to.
Not sure I will, love.
Not as bad as they said.
It's not as bad as they said, but it is quite horrid.
Yeah, and it's long.
It's not as bad.
It's the up and down.
Yeah.
The last bit's really bad.
Do you want help getting that off?
Oh, no, What do you want me to do? Tell me.
You will get leeches, children.
Kids, get out of there!
I guarantee leeches in there. Yes.
Yeah, and I don't want to be involved with getting leeches off you, so don't go in the weeds. Can you pull your trousers up and make sure you've got the leeches on your legs?
Well done, Lina. What are you... Easy decision. We were meant to be moving on today. 5 portages, the first one 840 metres, and the weather is shocking. So even as an adult, that's pretty hard to do that number of portages. With 4 young kids, the youngest 5 years old. Hello, Orla. Say hello to the camera.
Hello.
Hello to you, Orla.
Fine.
Yeah.
Healthy.
Yeah.
Healthy.
Yeah, that's right.
Patrick.
So the decision's easy. Get the tarps up, hunker down for the day, and look at moving tomorrow. What was that, Caitlin?
The lightning.
You're afraid of lightning?
I fancy being on the middle of a wacky Great Lake with a load of kids when it's lightning.
You have no sense of fun.
The kids have no sense of danger.
Can you sing us a song?
It's coming. Making the s'mores. So we've got graham crackers, chocolate, and a perfectly toasted marshmallow. Squish them in together like that. Look at that. The chocolate melts just a little bit.
You're good, Orla.
And they're messy as hell.
Orla's eating one over here. Good?
And how's that?
How is it, Orla?
Beautiful.
Try and taste it.
And what's that like, Orla?
Chocolate marshmallow.
And is it nice?
Is that one for Maya?
What's this, Maya?
The toilet.
Oh no!
Come over here. You can see where they've dug a hole.
Okay.
And it's stinking.
Oh my goodness! Yeah. So what do we do in that hole?
Poo.
We poo, do we? And then where do we put the paper?
In the...
In the hole. Okay.
And then put sanitizer on.
On where?
On your hands.
Why do you do that?
So no one smells it.
No, and it also stops all the germs, doesn't it?
Yeah. And
Yeah.
there's bugs in their webs.
Ugh.
The last one there was none of that.
Yeah.
Because there was not many people went on that one.
What's this you've collected?
Standing dead wood.
Why are you
Standing-
collecting all that?
For the fire.
So are you gonna saw it all up?
Well, I'm not. Dad is. Okay? Yeah, put the big ones up first. Yeah. Oh, this one is good for the fire. There we go.
And then where did you decide to go to sleep?
In the middle.
On top of Mummy for another night. Didn't you? You did try to sleep on top of your mummy. Mummy doesn't care.
Just like this.
You did.
And I fell on this.
And then you decided to sleep. Not this way, which way? Right across this way. Yeah. This is the pleasures. this is before the end of today. So can I have 3 today, right now? All in one go? No, I need some throughout the day to keep you going.
Good morning.
How do you like your socks, Lina?
Toasted.
Toasted socks. And are we having anything with them for breakfast?
You're not.
I'm not.
The day we ran out of food.
There's enough shit in it so you can survive. Maya's toasted socks. She has to have dry socks. You should have let me bring one for every day, and then this went to the third.
I've drawn a circle there. I've done an X there. I've done a circle there. I've done an X. He's won. I've won. There's loads!
Need to go and park it
Come to the middle, sweetheart.
right next to the other boat.
Alf,
You
come
ready?
down a bit to the middle.
Go.
Oh!
That's it.
I keep slipping. Drop.
Keep going.
Lift. Penny case.
Right next to the other one.
Wait a sec, Mark. There's a penny case.
Well done.
Drop.
Down gently.
Drop. Drop. Drop.
Brilliant.
Drop.
Very well on this trip, haven't you? Show me your big muscles.
Jack. Go a bit slow, like walking, jogging. Do a jog. That's my jog. This is my jog. That's my jog. They're going to portage this canoe.
That looks a really heavy canoe. Are you sure?
Yeah. Yeah, and we're going to then start from there going over to our campsite over there.
What's it like under there?
It's cool.
Yeah?
I've never portaged a canoe before. Oh. Oh.
No.
Can't do that one for the back out. Well done, you two. That was brilliant.
Rob, now your children have caught a couple of fish. Can I?
Well, I've taught them well.
Yeah, but how many have you caught yourself today?
I've had 2 casts so far and I haven't caught any, unfortunately.
2 casts?
But this 3rd cast I'm hoping is going to be the
Yeah,
one.
yeah. Did you do maths at school? Patrick doing really well with his couple of fish. No one else has caught any at this stage of the day, so pretty good going, I reckon.
Now that's the best fire wafter.
That's wafted. That's definitely wafted.
Yeah. There you go.
And which meal of the day is this, Rob?
Breakfast, obviously.
Moose. What's that sign for, Maya?
Moose.
But we can't see any, can we?
Portage sign, portage sign, the portage sign. I can't see the portage sign that tells us where to walk.
We can see the yellow sign that tells us where to walk. We can see the yellow sign, the yellow sign, the yellow sign. We can see the yellow sign that tells us where to walk. End of day 7 of our expedition in the Algonquin. We've just done, what, 5 portages today, the longest of which was 740 metres, all of them uphill as we gain height back up onto this lake, which is Otter Creek Lake or Otter Lake?
Slide.
Otterslide, I'm corrected, Otterslide. And that introduces Alfie, who's going to light the fire for us tonight. Should it fail, we're going to be very cold and we're not going to have anything to eat. So there's no pressure on Alfie on this one, is there? Yeah? No pressure.
Now I'm going to make a bed for it. It lets oxygen come up from beneath it, and it stops the dampness getting
Oh,
it.
good stuff.
I'll do a bit more of that. My size 1 sticks on. I've got a little bit of kindling.
Yeah. Well done there, Alfie. Brilliant. That's ready for us to a bit more wood, and we'll be ready to get our cup of tea on.
No.
Do you drink tea?
Yeah, I will.
Yeah.
Brilliant, mate, that was awesome.
Oh, it's an impressive fire.
I know. We'll be ready when they're ready, just leave us alone. Asking all the time.
Hey.
I Good morning.
Can you say good morning?
Good morning.
Where's the tongs?
You have to flip it up in the air.
Oh, look at that.
That's the super asbestos, but it's the bestest one to have because it's the first one. Right?
So it's pretty decent.
Nothing.
Look at this for service.
You've got to tell me. Not tell her.
Oh my goodness.
Right, Maya, here you go.
I'm having sugar and extra sugar.
How good.
Very.
Is it good, babe? Come on, eat it up.
Mom, Dad. Who can see the yellow sign, yellow sign, yellow sign? Who can see the yellow sign that tells us where to walk? We can see the yellow sign, yellow sign, yellow sign. We can see the yellow sign that tells us where to walk. You might be my first mate ever. I am. Now you are. Come on, hop in. Woo! I'll show you everything. Just get out. I want to show you everything. Wee! There will be. I'm spinning. Okay, so this is the slide and rapid stuff. Popcorn! Popcorn!
And who did it?
Me! Mummy! Me! Hey, why are you looking at her? I didn't.
Did they come out all right?
The milk is actually surprisingly nice. I think normally like the milk. It's going through the bread.
What are you making, Maya?
Bannock.
Which is what?
Bread.
Can I have the one with snot in it?
Oh. Did you want to get out of my marshmallow wing?
Right, mine. You doing in the same way.
Can I have a marshmallow, please? No. Yay!
But after 200 metres is the start.
Yeah, that wasn't very much. Come on.
Bob missed one water bottle.
Help Paula, Maya. You and Paula carry it. Come on.
It's heavy.
So what are we about to do, Maya?
Maybe 1140.
I hope not.
But we're hoping we're going to do the 200.
Yes. And So we're hoping there's a sign tells us the right way.
Yeah.
So what are we going to do?
Portaging.
Yeah? And what are you going to carry today?
Everything in the whole world.
Wow, that's going to be helpful. I can sit here. Yeah?
I'll carry everything in the world. Can I come with you, Dad?
No. You wait for Mummy, please, mate.
This has got 5 water bottles in.
Oh my goodness.
I can carry 6 with one hand.
Yeah, you got it? Cool.
All right.
Right, let me grab some.
Hello.
Go on
I'm
then.
going to go with the kids.
Yeah.
You ready, Maya? You ready, Orla? You ready, Patrick? You ready, Alfie? All in, darling.
Well, Mum's coming, she's just there.
Don't run with that on your Patrick. I'm leaving it now.
Are you alright? Come give me a cuddle. Yeah? That's both of you falling over.
One of you both fell over.
Yeah? That was alright.
Yeah.
What are you building, guys?
A beaver lodge. If you go over there, you see it's actually like a beaver lodge. It's pretty good. But we need to clear it out.
Where's the beaver?
We're the beavers.
You're the beavers.
Yeah, we've got names. Mine's Splash.
Yeah?
My name is Chomp. Because he chomps a lot.
The last campsite, we're on our way out. We passed a lodge here. There's all sorts of boats going by. There's been kayaks. It really does feel like we're on the way out. So we've been talking food and drinks and what we're going to have when we get out. And yeah, and what else?
3 bottles.
Yeah.
More Prosecco.
Yes, there you go. But Caitlin had to add her little bit of what she thinks can be done well. And it was?
Margaritas.
By?
Rob.
There you go.
Not the pizza tie.
Not the pizzas. Not the pizzas.
I can't wait to have food that I can actually chew.
Yeah?
Chicken wings.
And what do you want?
Domino's pizza.
Well, you're not. Oh dear, oh dear. What do you want?
What do you want?
I want leaves.
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 Okay.
Is that because you're a beaver? Rob?
Beer and a burger.
All I want is just salad. More salad.
Good man. Yeah.
That's why it's skin and bone.
Caitlin, I think we've done your
Oh,
choices.
Prosecco. I also want a shower.
Yeah,
A shower. Yeah. We're not saying anything.
I want steak.
Yeah.
and a bar and stuff for my hair, so I stopped looking like Sideshow Bob.
Yeah. So what are we going to do now that's very unusual?
Go into bridge.
And how many bridges have we seen?
None.
None, because we've been in the...
Wilderness.
We have indeed. Oh, that'd be good if a train came across now.
Because I don't want the bears to eat me. Bye bye.